Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering off the phone and removing the case and SIM tray. This prevents short circuits and gives clear access. Once done, angle the device so the speaker grill faces upward and inspect under magnification to locate dust clusters. You'll use a soft brush first to dislodge loose particles, because brushing reduces risk of pushing debris deeper. Make short, controlled strokes, and keep the brush nearly parallel to the grill to avoid bending any mesh or moving internal components. Next, you alternate compressed air and gentle swabbing to remove embedded dust. The why is simple: air dislodges while swabs capture residue. Hold the can upright and deliver 1-second bursts from about 30 centimeters to prevent moisture ejection. For stubborn grime, lightly dampen a microfiber swab with 70% isopropyl and roll it across the grill edges. Make sure liquid doesn't pool. Once done, use the brush in short strokes again to lift any remaining particles and let the phone sit for several minutes to evaporate traces. You finish by powering the phone on and playing a test tone to confirm clarity. Listen for buzzing or muffled output to evaluate success. If sound remains obstructed, repeat the gentle cleaning cycle once. Persistent issues suggest physical damage, trapped debris behind the mesh, or a failing speaker, and you should consult a repair technician. As a troubleshooting tip, make sure you did not accidentally block vents with lint. If you still hear problems, document what you did and consider professional disassembly rather than forcing tools into the speaker area.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.